What's up guys, in this video we are going to know about Curve Tool. Not only in a Snapseed, any of the app which has this tool. You can use this tool to lighten an image or darken an image. The main important thing is add color tones to the images. Without wasting any time, let's move on to the video. Welcome guys, this is our home page. Now move on to the Snapseed, click on the plus mark, select the image which one do you want to edit. Now go to the tools and select the curves here, click on the curves. Now let us understand how the graph works here. Right hand side, top part of the graph represent the highlights and left hand side represent the shadows, and center part of the graph it represents the midtones. If you want to lighten the image, drag the midtones upside, or if you want to darken the image, drag midtones downside. Also, if you want to adjust the highlights, drag upper part of the graph like this. And the same thing works on the shadows part. Now let us move to the colors option in the curves. There are reds, greens and blues, these three colors to choose here. These curves are a bit different compared to the RGB curves. And we select the red curves here. Drag upside the midtones to add red color in the whole image, and move downside to remove the red colors, also adding the opposite color of red in the whole image. Now let's move to the green curves. Drag midtones upside to adding the green, drag downside to adding the opposite color of green. And the same thing works on the blue curves. Drag upside to add blue color and drag downside to add opposite of blue color. Now let us move to the luminance curve. It is also act different from the RGB curve. Now I am going to apply the contrast value in the image. Only the luminance value gets affected, but the saturation remains same here. Now I am going to RGB curve, select the RGB curve and decrease the value of RGB curve in the center part of the graph to darken the image, and also adjust the highlights and the shadows. But here the whole image turns darken. Now I am going to lighten the main subject in the image. Tap on the above arrow mark and select the view edits, go the latest curves and select the brush here. And start brushing on the image where you want to add this effect. Once you finish the brushing on the image, and click on the right mark there. Now I am going to give some saturation to the main subject here. Click on the tools, select the selective part. Select the area where you want to give the filters. Increase some brightness here and go to the saturation, increase the level of saturation till it's look better. I think now you got an basic idea about curves. Now let us save this image. Go to the export button, click on the save button. Yes, the image is saved. Now have a look on the similar images using curves. Now let us going to know about Oppo Reno 4 series cam specifications. It having a quad camera setup. First one is ultra wide angle 8 megapixel camera with f2.2 aperture. Second one is 48 megapixel main camera with f1.7 aperture. Third one is 2 megapixel macro camera with f2.4 aperture. And the last one is 2 megapixel mono camera with f2.4 aperture. And it having a best Sony IMX616 image sensor.
That's what they tell me. Up the tempo, that's my chemistry. Keep it shining, keep your head high, and put your hands.
And these are the some photo samples clicked by Oppo Renovo 4 series. Thanks for watching guys. Do subscribe for more videos.